Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic that is about integration. So now I want to show you how to answer. We need to divide by 1 over cosine x to the power of 4 on numerator and denominator. So this one we have number 1. Now we have the formula in here. So this one that is about this one. So you got tan x to the power of 4. This one that is about this one. Next we have the next one. So we put secant of s squared multiplied by secant of s squared. So this one that is about this one. Next we can use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to tan x. Next, we need to do first the derivative for the both sides, and we have secant of s squared dx. So this one we change for u. This one we change for u. Secant of s squared dx we change for du. Next, we need to do about factorization of this one, and we have like this. This one that is about the special factorization of u to the power of 4 plus 1. The next one we need to use about partial fractions. So I will put like this. Because we have the power number 2, so on numerator we need to reduce the power by negative number 1. So you got u to the power of 1, and we need to reduce the power to u to the power of 0. Next, we can do common denominator. This one, it is missing about this one, so iu plus b multiplied by this one. About this one, it is missing about this one, so cu plus d multiplied by this one. Now we need to expand this one. So we have au to the power of 3 plus au square with the square root of number 2. The next one we have au. The next one we have bu square minus bu with the square root of number 2 and number 1. Now we can do similar for the next one. This is negative in here. So I just change a little bit. So I will change for C and D. Now we need to arrange based on the terms of u. About u to the power of 3, we have a plus c. About u square, we have negative 8 with the square root of number 2 plus b plus c with the square root of number 2 plus d. The next one that is about u, so we have a minus b with the square root of number 2. Then we have c plus d with the square root of number 2. And the next one we have b plus d. And I will put this one go in here. So we have number 1 and u square, coefficient of u square that is about number 1. So this one equals to number 1 and this one equals to number 1. We don't have u and u to the power of 3. So this one and this one equals to number 0. And now we create the system of equations. Now we need to find the solutions of A, B, C, D. So 8 equals to number 0, B equals to 1 over 2, C equals to number 0, D equals to 1 over 2. So we put A, B, C, D, go back in here. Now, I will focus about this one. So, about the square root of number 2, I will put about number 2 multiplied by the square root of number 2 over number 2. So number 1, I will put about 1 over 2 plus 1 over 2. So we know that this one that is about identities. So we put about u plus the number 1 over the square root of number 2. Now we can use about integration by substitution. So I will put about t equals to this one. Later that we need to do first the derivative for the both sides. This one we change for t. Oh sorry, this one I need to put about 1 over the square root of number 2 because I want to create about integration by octane. So I will put this one go in here. du that is about this one. So this one we have 1 over 2 t squared. And now we simplify 1 over 2, 1 over 2. So the integration of this one, we have octane of t. And we have 1 over the square root of number 2. And I will put about c. So about t, that is about this one. So we multiply both sides by the square root of number 2. So we have t equals to the square root of number 2 plus 1. So I will put this one to change for t. And now we can do similar for the second one. So we just change about the negative sign here. So now we combine the answer. About u, that is about tan x. This is the end. Thank you for watching.